In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find keyboard shortcuts in Google Docs, step by step. If you've ever wondered how people fly through documents without touching the mouse, this is where it starts. I'll show you exactly where to find the full list of shortcuts inside Google Docs, plus a couple of tips to make it easier to navigate. First, open your document, launch Google Docs, and open any file you'd like to work with. It can be a blank document or something you're already editing. Having a document open ensures the shortcuts you see are specific to Docs, not another Google app. Next, look to the very top of your screen and click the Help menu in the menu bar. It's on the right side of File, Edit, View, and so on. This is where Google keeps handy tools and references. From that Help menu, choose Keyboard Shortcuts. The moment you click it, Google Docs opens a dedicated window that lists the commands you can trigger from your keyboard. If you prefer speed, there's also a quick way to open this same list. Press Control and the / key together. That's Control plus /. Use this when your cursor is in the document area so the shortcut registers correctly. On some keyboards and language layouts, the modifier keys or symbols can vary, so the exact combination you press may look slightly different, but it performs the same action. Once the window is open, you'll see all available commands and their shortcut keys. This is your master reference for editing, formatting, navigating, and more. At a glance, you can confirm what you already know and learn new time savers. To make the list easier to digest, use the panel on the left to browse categories. Explore sections like text formatting, navigation, selection, and collaboration to focus on what you need right now. This organized view helps you zero in on shortcuts that match the task you're doing, whether that's bolding text, jumping between headings, or managing comments. Remember, some shortcuts may vary depending on your keyboard, operating system, or language settings. If something doesn't work as expected, double-check that setting or scan neighboring categories for an alternative. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find every keyboard shortcut in Google Docs and how to open that list instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.